everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video. So in this video I'm going to show you 3 DIYs for Diwali decoration. Before jumping into the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel because I make videos related to DIYs and home decor. So without further ado, let's get started. For the first DIY, I have taken a chart paper measuring 30 into 15 cm. Then using pencil, I'm drawing a pattern over it. I'm drawing a flower. You can draw any pattern of your choice. Then keep a soft thing under the chart paper. I am using a sponge. You can also use a pillow or a thick cardboard piece. Then using a compass or any pointed object like needle, start making holes on the drawn pattern. When you are done making holes, flip the paper and stick the two ends using white glue. And with this, our first DIY is ready. I hope you'll like it. For the second DIY, I am taking an old glass, and to decorate it I have taken glass colors. Then using black 3D outliner I am making a pattern. Once you are done making the pattern, let it dry. Then start coloring it with the colors of your choice. Here I am using red, blue and yellow color. colors dry completely. So here our second DIY is also done. From 3 DIYs, this is my favorite one, and do let me know in the comment section which one you like the most. For the third DIY, I have taken a square cardboard piece measuring 8 into 8 cm. Then I am covering it using a white chart paper. Covering the cardboard piece, trace the size of the tea light candle and then start painting the cardboard piece. Then I am taking an aluminium foil piece and cutting it into 4 equal parts. Then I am making balls out of them. Once the colors are dried, flip the cardboard and stick the balls using white glue. Our third and the last DIY of this video is also ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do so, then please hit like button and subscribe my channel for more such DIYs. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video.